So I wanted to show you, I made a couple, I muted, how did that happen? I wanted to show you the geometry cabinet I made, Padlet. So you can, we'll be doing more with this as we go along, but this is just a place for like, you know, what's in the geometry cabinet. I'm trying to get you guys, you should be getting them next week. You'll have these shapes on cardstock that you can cut out and keep somewhere, so then that way you can measure them and do different things with them, okay? So you're gonna have your own geometry cabinet. And then what we're really talking about today is our 2D shapes, or 3D shapes. Oh my gosh, I'm tired. So all these guys, right? Remember these guys? Yes. So quick quiz, what is this? Athena.
Circle.
This is a circle, right? This flat one. Charlotte?
A sphere.
Sphere. Spheres are, whoops. Spheres are 3D. Okay. What do we call this? Athena?
A cube.
Cube, right? What about this? Charlotte?
A cylinder.
A cylinder. What about this?
A cone.
A cone. What about this?
It's right on the top of my tongue. It's right on the top of my tongue.
Pyramid. Pyramid. So that was just a regular old pyramid. It has a square base. This would be a what? Whoa, I dropped it on my ah! Pam was like, what was that? Charlotte, what do you think?
Is it a triangle pyramid?
Triangular pyramid, yes.
You know the comp.
Okay. Then we have this. We're getting kind of more challenging. Here. Find it here. Athena?
Rectangular prism.
Exactly. And this one would be Charlotte?
It's really hard to say, but triangular prism.
Yes.
Triangular prism.
You got it. All right, and then we have
it's hard to say.
So we say it, this is an ovoid. Not ovoid, but ovoid.
Like instead of an oval, because that's a flat ovoid, which is not an ovoid at all. It's an ovoid, not an oval.
Yes. And then this one.
The egg shape is
but I think
ovoid.
one way of thinking about it is
it's kind of teardrop shape, because it has more of like, it's thinner up at the top and gets a little wider towards the bottom.
Heidi left.
But this one is the same top and bottom, and it's the ellipsoid.
That is really hard to read and probably, no, it's hard to say and probably even harder to read.
So
Brenda, I think
try it. Ellipsoid. Ellipsoid. Yes, Athena?
I think Heidi left.
Yeah, she might be having internet problems because we never were able to see her or hear her. So that's probably what's going on. Some days are not so great for internet. All right, so we remember that on 2D shapes, a 2D shape has sides, and it has, when the sides meet, that's the vertex, and so the square has 4 vertices, 4 sides, and 4 angles. So that's what we call attributes of the 2D shapes. 3D shapes also have attributes, and some of them are the same and some of them are a little different. Oh, Heidi's trying to get back on again. So I'll start with the cube. So the flat side of a 3D shape is called the face. So a cube has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces. It still has vertex and vertices where the two, now these aren't called sides. These are actually, now that there's these 2 flat faces meeting, we call it the edge. Living on the edge. So where the edges meet, that's the vertex. All right, so this cube has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vertices. 6 faces, 8 vertices, and let's see how many edges. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 edges. Okay? Kind of hard. Can you guys see that? So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8, and then the other one, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? What about a sphere? Does a sphere have a face? Nope, nothing's flat about it. Does it have a vertex or vertices? Nope. And does it have any edges? Nope. It's just a sphere. Nah, just
It's
a boring
not
sphere.
the talking part, it's the editing part that makes me not.
Shh, Dad.
Dad. Well, Dad's teaching too. This one's kind of fun. So our cylinder, it's got, Athena's making a 2 for 2 faces. But does it have any vertices? No vertices, no edges, but it has 2 faces. Cone has 1 face. No, well, I think we could call this 1 vertex, but no edges. So it's kind of funny. One face, 1 vertex. Pyramid has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertices. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 edges. So your follow-up work gosh, I'm gonna have it in my head all day. And that would be just fun.
I like the doctor part of it.
Or take a
I
shower.
know, that's the creepiest part in my opinion.
Yeah, I like it too. Yeah, he's a really funny voice though. He's creepy kind of, but his voice kind of.
It is creepy.
This is the advantages in class. Is like,
All right, so you have a Google slide or 2 Google slides for your follow-up work. You can see here, it's just matching. Oh, hold on, it's still. Oh, right. I made a copy of it. My bad. They're doing that. There's ours. Okay. So you're just matching the name of the shape to it. If you don't remember, if you're like, oh man, I completely forgot, I'm including the Padlet so you can refer to it. All right. So pretty basic. You got to click on it and make sure all those blue squares come up, and then you see that like kind of compass looking, and then just move it. Okay. And then for the next slide, it's just focusing on edges. Okay. So do your best. I know it's not going to be as easy when you can't like touch them, but you may want to like, you know, do the ones you definitely know first. Like we know the sphere has 0 edges. We said, actually, oh, I think maybe it counts this as an edge. Yeah, I didn't think about that. So this would be 1 edge. And so our cylinder would have how many edges? I made a mistake on that. 2. Okay, so start off with the ones you know. And then, so you're doing that, and the other one, oops. Polygons. And then there's, this might help you see, I don't know. Then you have a worksheet, bases, edges, vertices. You can just type in there. Since this is a PDF, I just learned this with the virtual teaching. You can actually like, I put make a copy in the Google Classroom. So if you want to like edit it on there, you can. I'll also put it in Seesaw. But we said a cube has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces. It has, how many edges did we say? Can't remember, we can count it. It's helpful to print it because then you can like take your pencil and, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It has 12 edges and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vertices. We get it? Yes, we got it. Ta-da. So that's your follow-up work. Okay? You're muted. Sound good? Good. All right.
Sounds awesome. It
Awesome.
sounds na 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 na
No, no,
na,
no.
not just like a boring square.
Cool.
Sounds na 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 na. Sounds yeah.
Awesome, guys. All right. Well, any more questions about 2D or 3D shapes? All right.
Let's see. I want to test you.
Oh, okay. You're going to test me.
How many faces does my face have?
Just one glorious face. Don't ever be two-faced. Don't do it. You know what that means? When somebody says, you're two-faced. You know what that means?
No.
So it's when somebody acts a certain way and says a bunch of stuff, but that isn't true. They're really somebody completely different. So they're showing one face, showing oh, I'm a sweet, kind person, but really then you find out they're not. They might be talking, not nice about you behind your back. We would call that two-faced. So you want to just have one face.
But I see two more faces. That one and that one.
Yeah.
I might be pointing to me right now. I'm not sure.
Did you guys have your meeting with Tori yet?
Yeah.
How'd that go?
We were in the
That's
same-
right. You were in the first group.
Awesome. Yeah,
Sounds
we were
good.
in the same group.
Nice. Good. Yeah, she seems pretty cool. All right. Bye, guys. I'll see you later.
Bye.